Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into professional makeup techniques. For a fresh and radiant look, these tips will help elevate your makeup game, whether you're a newbie or a pro. First, prepping your canvas. Start with a clean face. Gently cleanse to remove impurities. Apply a hydrating moisturizer to create a smooth base and prevent cakiness. Sunscreen is essential, especially outdoors. Now, for foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. For a fresh look, opt for a lightweight formula. Apply it evenly using a brush, sponge, or fingertips, focusing on areas needing coverage. Concealer is your secret weapon. Use it to cover blemishes, dark circles, and redness. Apply a small amount and gently blend. Avoid too much to prevent accentuating fine lines. Next, blush. Blush adds a healthy flush, making you look more radiant. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards. Bronzer adds warmth and dimension. Apply it where the sun hits, like your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. Use a light hand and blend well to avoid harsh lines. Highlighting enhances features and creates a glow. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face, like cheekbones, brow bone, and nose bridge. Blend it in. For eyes, keep it simple. Start with a neutral eyeshadow. Add shimmer to the inner corners to brighten. Apply mascara to upper and lower lashes. Finally, lips. Choose a lip color that complements your look. For a fresh look, opt for a natural lip color, such as nude or light pink. Use lip liner to define and prevent bleeding. To set your makeup and make it last, use setting spray. Hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches away and spray evenly. This gives a fresh, dewy finish. Those are some techniques to achieve a fresh and radiant look. Experiment to find what works for you. Thanks for watching.